and I got this, I mean, your session as a reward from my boss, and I never expected that this would be the best gift that coming up for me. If I'm not clear with my goals, it was like it was very disturbing while I'm working. It is also disturbing in my personal life. Growth is not always like about learning new things, but I must say it's about something that you're unlearning old patterns.
Describe your journey in just 3 words.
Okay, I would say it's very eye opening. The second would be empowerment. It's very transformative, that I would say.
So, hey Pallavi, thank you so much for joining me today. It's been such a wonderful journey watching your growth, and I would love for you to share your experience so other whosoever is watching this interview can inspire too. And to start with, can you tell us little about yourself? What made you to join the program?
Yeah, this is Pallavi Mandal. And like I'm a working professional, working in a gold source company as an operations head right now, and taking care of very crucial part like handling operations and all of the team of the process. So, and I got this, I mean, your session as a reward from my boss, and I never expected that this would be the best gift that coming up for me.
So, if I ask you a few more questions just to understand your journey, so when you have joined the program, what was that biggest challenge you were facing?
My biggest challenge was getting really a good clarity towards my goal. Also, like, because this if I'm not clear with my goals, it was like it was very disturbing while I'm working. It is also disturbing in my personal life. It was really affecting me to get into the some kind of decisions to take. So that was the main challenge, I think. So that I was going through.
So, can you tell us brief that what exactly that challenge?
Then I started working in a Go Source as a normal associate level, and then I started learning a lot there, and I found my interest there for sure a lot. So I like dig into more and found more information. Like my leaders and all, they were all happy with my performances and all. So I found ki I can really do this. Why I don't like go for a career on this? But again, I was confused. So I was very much unclear, and this was completely disturbing to me. Like, am I doing right or wrong? Am I happy with my like work that I'm doing, or should I go and give a chance to myself in IT again? So that was the main challenge that I think I really came through, and I get out of it now.
Okay, perfect, wonderful. So many people out there who are basically, doing something the sake of doing, they are not getting that kind of a satisfaction or maybe that fulfillment. So it is very
Right.
important that if you're investing time in anything, you have to have clarity, confidence, and sense of purpose that you are contributing. You are doing
Yes.
something valuable in your life.
Right. Because like I joined this for sure, but again, when I got a position like as a leader, I found myself that I can really lead my team very well. That I started giving my best towards like making them learn, pushing towards like achieving the goal is like whatever the targets that we get, right? So it's very important that the leader should have that quality to do that with the team. So I found that yeah, I can really do that. I can really give a training a very good way. I really, I think, interact with my team very well, and that creates very unique bond with them right now. And I see this is where I found my interest for sure. With this sessions, the I think just because I was not clear with my goals, like what I wanted to do really, I think with this program, with this sessions, many sessions, very good sessions, I found out like my interest. I'm very much clear about my goals right now, like unpacking so many things. So yeah, I'm definitely glad and absolutely blessed that I joined this, and I continue to keep it.
Yeah. So many people out there who are not sure about that, what exactly what they want from their life. They are doing something, they are doing well, they're a high performer, but still there is one deep question when they ask, are they getting satisfaction or that fulfillment? It's very important because the more you feel satisfied what you are doing, with more enthusiasm you will, show up. Amazing, Pallavi. I'm so proud of you. So with this, let's move on to our next question. That what made you to decide, like what exactly that pain point you wanted to solve, though you have already made me understand that the goal is something which was not clear, the purpose was not clear to you, that why, I'm here in this world, is whatever I'm doing, it is giving me that true satisfaction or not. So what made you, what that bigger pain point you wanted to solve?
I think that would be my dissatisfaction. That's the big thing because, if I'm not satisfied because of my unclear goals,
Hmm.
that is gonna trigger me in my professional life and my personal life for sure. And that's where I found that why don't I give my chance to continue the sessions and see like what I would unpack myself and get a better clarity towards my goal.
And what was your biggest breakthrough or that aha moment during the program, or which section do you really love the most and wanted to, take as that takeaway?
I really realized that it's not about growth is not always like about learning new things, but I must say it's about something that you're unlearning old patterns that hold you back. Because definitely I was holding back with my so many things. Like I wanted to, like I finished my IT, I was good in that as well. Then I joined this like my like Gosos company, and then those all things something that I unpack I found so this shift, this session completely helps me out to approach uh, towards my better clarity.
So what was that aha moment? What was that one tool or technique which you have learned so far, which you really want to, take as a takeaway? Any program, the section of the program which you loved the most, or you feel, oh, this is something which I really wanted to.
Definitely tools that you have shared to go through like Hoponopo. Then we went through CTFR, then the questionnaires and all. So I think this is like for me, Hoponopono is very powerful technique because I do it every day now. It's something bringing me like a kind of meditation, like getting into the stuff whole day to be like very busy working woman, and then it's very important that you sit with yourself for some time and just give time to yourself with this meditation. So I think this is the best thing that I learned.
Now I wanted to know that what, that one specific tool or technique or the practices which helped you the most, and you wanted to take it as a takeaway from the session.
The technique that I would keep it for my lifetime would be like the one that is very powerful, that is charging recharging your water, because like it is so powerful that you will drink it, like visualizing your goals.
Yeah. So there is a technique called charging your water. That everything
Yeah.
has an energy and water has a very pure energy. So how you can sip your goal? That is something you do with the charge your water techniques. So
Yes.
amazing, so amazing.
Among all the techniques, I would really prefer to keep four techniques for sure. The one would be decision making, that is really helpful for me, so I'm going to keep it forever in my life. The second is SMART goals. The third would be finding your own values, and the fourth would be hope open open.
Yeah, yes. So
So I
these
would love to keep and like continue to do all this.
perfect, perfect, amazing, amazing. So in our program, we have a decision making template, which is so needed, wherein you should be clearer, confident that what all decision are you taking, you're taking with so much clarity. Okay,
Yes,
that's
yes.
amazing. That's powerful. How would you feel now compared to when you started the program? If you need to compare yourself then and now.
I think I feel more organized and balanced. Earlier, I used to feel like overwhelmed by everything on my plate, but now I manage my priorities with more structure, like in a structured way and very calmly. So yeah, I think that's the biggest thing.
Okay, amazing, Pallavi. I'm so happy that you at least feel that. that clarity is there and you can feel the sense of balance in every situation.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay. So that lead me to another question, which I really wanted to know, and maybe most of the people would like to know. And if you need to, describe your journey in just 3 words.
Okay, I would say it's very eye opening because you see yourself unpacking yourself there. The second would be empowerment. It's very big thing, like coaching techniques and feeling empowerments. And then second, it's very transformative, that I would say, because I see changes on myself. I see that good transformation on myself with all these techniques that you have taught me. Yeah, so I would say like eye opening, empowering, and yeah, transformative.
Okay, amazing. How simply you have, summarized it. I'm so happy. So with this, again, so okay, Pallavi, I really wanted to know from you that what one message would you like to give to someone who is still unsure about joining the program or starting his growth journey? क्या वो वन मैसेज है जो आप देना चाहते हो उन लोगों को जो अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, थोड़े से अनश्योर है, कंफ्यूज हैं कि हाउ दिस प्रोग्राम कैन हेल्प अस? दिस इज अ माइंडसेट मास्टरी प्रोग्राम. Though we always talks about foundation of your, the mindset is a foundation of your journey. So well, because you have already gone through all the tools and techniques, what is your experience? What that one message which help them to take decision faster and clearer? Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So, like you said, if you're not sure, and you want to take action in your life, I would really suggest you to join this program because it will really helps you to give a better clarity, a better habits. It will develop better habits with the tools and techniques with these sessions, and you will see the progress in your life. Because like no action would definitely lead to no results. So if you really want a different result in your life, would prefer to take action.
Very rightly said that different action will lead to different result. आप चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ बदलना, अगर सेम तरीके से लीड करोगे तो सेम ही रिजल्ट आएंगे. देन यू कांट ब्लेम एनीवन. So if you really want to take a different result in your life, you want to change your life, you have to change the actions. Very simple. So that's super amazing, Pallavi. Your story shows that what is possible when we combine the right mindset with the consistent action. And I'm so proud of your progress, and I'm sure your story will motivate many others to take the first step too. So thank you so much, you, for being part of this mission. And whosoever is watching this journey, and if you feel that you are ready to take next step in your growth journey, just like Pallavi did, then please don't wait. So you can message me growth and we'll connect and explore how you can create the same kind of transformation in your career, mindset and life. Thank you.